Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile image on Partiful. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've signed up for Partiful and you want to go ahead and change your profile image. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to Partiful. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Now from here, you're going to click on your profile icon again in order to change the image. So you can either upload a photo or you can remove a photo. But if you go ahead and upload a photo, just choose one from your photo album and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile photo on Partiful. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next